Hello everyone, welcome to the Pyresearch channel. In this video, we will finalize with this subtraction method available in OpenCV. So let's do it. So first of all, you can see the result of the background subtract motion. I will share you. First of all, we share the concept of the background subtract motion. Background subtractor motion is a major process steps. So you can see the many visions applications just like traffic traffic camera, living room. You can one moment just you can see I am I have one moment, so you can see also my background remove my background will be removed. You can see my window, it's removed. If you an image in background along with the like room like visitor, you can also this algorithm will be removed. You can see here, you can see. So you can see the result. Now we will discuss of the simple just algorithm. You practice it yourself. So here the library, here the mention camera. You also mention the video file. Here you can mention your subtractor motion uh, and background subtract motion emoji algorithm. Here the our framework in loop. So number of frames, images frames convert into the video. Here will be frame will be shown in mask. You can see the result. I will. It's remove the noise, background noise. Here main our method. I just break my algorithm and you can go to the my Python. I am using Python 2.7.18. Okay, import CV2. I will mention CV2 version. If you get some error, you check your version. 3.3.0 version will be used. So hope you like it. Please support our channel for more getting information updates.